Hi, my name's Renelle Roth and I'm a functional consultant here at Magnetism Solutions, and today I've got a really cool hidden handy hint for you with regards to Microsoft Forms Pro. So within Microsoft Forms Pro you can go ahead and create surveys and quizzes and send that out to your customers or employees or to anyone that you need information from. So I've set up two NPS surveys here. One I did for UAT testing and another one is my production survey. So in my handy hint today, I want to show you a feature that's a little bit hidden, but very useful if you need to. So let's say I want to clean up my forms a bit, so I want to delete the redundant surveys. I have accidentally deleted my production survey that I want to use and not the UAT survey that I wanted to delete to clean up. Well, my handy hint for you today is that there's actually a recycle bin feature within Microsoft Forms Pro, and that is this little hidden icon here at the bottom right hand corner. If I click on the recycle bin, I actually see all of the forms that I have deleted. It will keep it in this recycle bin for a bit, and I can go ahead and click restore to restore my NPS production form back to my forms, so it's available and I can go ahead and edit the details as needed. So if I were to accidentally delete a form or quiz, I can go ahead and use the recycle bin. That's a little bit hidden but available and very useful. And that's my handy hint for you today.